LoCaL Homes, we are part of Green Square Accord. We are actually a housing association as a client. We also have our own in-house construction team. We manufacture timber frame. Timber frame is a new method of construction, modern methods of construction. So we have actually done away with traditional construction methods, and we can do everything in-house in a factory environment. What we do, we actually design to future home standard. We're enhancing the specification of the system above and beyond traditional current building regulations. We're basically future-proofing the homes that we build. The cost of energy is going up almost every week. Because we've got a fabric-first approach, we can design really low U values, 0.13, 0.15 future home standards in England. This helps combine with energy-efficient air source heat pumps, PVs on roof, battery storage. These are all low carbon, sustainable energy. Combined, that's going to drive down the actual running costs of these houses and keep the actual bills for the tenants at really low levels and combat fuel poverty, which is a big problem in the sector at the moment. Timber is a renewable, sustainable product. It's a material of choice. Trees absorb CO2 from the atmosphere and they actually capture that carbon. When you compare that with traditional methods of construction such as concrete and steel, it's much better on the carbon footprint. What we're finding now in the construction sector, there's a skills gap shortage. There's not sufficient apprenticeships and training coming into the industry. And as older generation of skilled labour exits the industry, we're trying to strike that balance to produce a product and a system that'll help combat the skills gap shortage. There's quite a broad area of skills required for off-site manufacturing. You could break it down into two categories, into practical skills and technical skills. Practical skills, you could look at areas of using tools, the use of lasers and setting out and measuring tools. Technical skills, we look at the design. We design for manufacturing and assembly. So basically we've got to be able to interpret the specification and construction drawings to enable us to convert them into manufacturing drawings to produce in the factory to deliver to site. You can continuously upskill as you go in through the industry. There are lots of job opportunities and promotional opportunities from working from the factory floor up through to site management. The off-site timber frame sector is changing rapidly. When you look at from the beginning of the process from design, where we had CAD drawings on paper 2D, we've gone to 3D, and we're actually looking now at AI types of design. So it is really a fast moving industry and it's changing a lot quicker than the old construction methods, which is really exciting for young guys and girls coming from college and university, where they were looking at IT or something like that. You can actually bring them IT skills into modern methods of construction.